Okay, hello. We're back. Ooh. Alrighty. So I have a. I put sync thing on all of my personal computers, and I'm really into it. It's basically free open source Dropbox where you can like have an internal mesh network. It's like it like sets up like torrent connections between like all of my PCs, and then I have just like a shared folder that just like put it in one folder on one computer. Go over here. Here it is now. You can't see that, but that says Mac OBS. And also the GoPro stuff, because I pulled the GoPro stuff onto the Mac because file system's cleaner. I don't know. Easy, nicer Finder UI. Okay, so now I'm over here, and so I've got this DeepLabCut thing set up. It's in github.com/johnmathis/freemocap_DLC, which I just forked from Aaron, who's my grad student, and it's just kind of like us hacking together how to like. It's been a long time since I've been in DeepLabCut space, and I have learned a lot since then. Oh my god! And I think I want to do like a. I mean. I would say code review, but really I really want to hack and slash the whole fucking thing apart and do a fast API server, and I think I can do it in one sitting. I want to just do it, record it, PR it, and then just be like, bye, thank you, I love you, thank you for everything you've done for me, and also now I think I'm... there's only so far as you can get if you are still trying to maintain an academic career. Also, endurance has been I've been mentored by a pro. Okay, what are we doing? We're over here. We did. Okay. So we've got some videos from yesterday. Those were 2.7K at. I think they were like high FPS. Lower like two. I think it was like almost 120, which. Where are you? So DLC, Pooh the cat, videos, like, it'll be fun. I think. Is it here? This seems right. No, I think this is from earlier. So this is like some of the videos. Actually, no. This. Feb 20. It's like there's so many things. It's all right. You're getting there. You are getting there. That and like this is like they didn't have the white on the ground. It's like lower res. The lighting is you see the blur in there, and it's just like 2 or 3 iterations with like 5 to 10 frames total labeled. But it's getting there. It's getting there. I think that my model is good. I think I looked at I looked at everything. I looked at the super animals. I looked at their pre-trained models. Looked at all their stuff, and like, I have thoughts on some of the choices that were made. And we don't have time to get into that right now. But I should have right. Why is this? So it is roughly this. This is roughly the model. And it's like anatomically defined rigid body assumptions. And that it's basically the same basic marker set. It's just, it's a quadruped. It's a tetrapod. And everywhere that I'm clicking, I know, like I can just internalize the 3D structure of what I'm clicking on. And I think that really helps the machine learn because it's all rigid bodies and there's an internal logic to every time I click that's directly related to the pixels on the screen. I can gut check it which means that the inference is there. I can look at it, be like, I look at the picture, I'm like, I know the answer. I fire the laser from my perspective, and yeah, it's good. I like it, and I'm impressed. DLC, man, y'all really. I hate a lot of things about your code, but fuck me if it works, though. Fuck me if it doesn't work. It works really well. It's just like it's just academic code, and like I have now been like pickled and percolated in like the pro level shit, and it's like, God, it's up, man, y'all. Y'all, I can't. Let me get y'all. Let me get y'all up to speed. It's good. It'll be good. And I just want to start doing this. Just like swing through project. Be like, you're a fast API server now. Take it or leave it. Or actually, yeah, that's what I'll do. Free mocap _ DLC DeepLabCut. That's the move. Because that way. Because it's like I don't want to like just PR into your space because that's a bit aggressive, but I will fork it and make my own, and then it's up to you to decide what you want to do from there. I will keep a line. Anyways, fucking focus on your shit. Where are we? Cool. So we're getting there. The it's like. The names. Guys, so this is gonna go away. Okay, I mean that is so much better than it was. Okay, leave it, I guess. So now I'm gonna want to add more videos, which I there's this. I'm not gonna talk like anyone's watching. I don't need to keep like. It's just amazing, like how much it for me. It's like good Lord, I've learned a lot in a short amount of time. Because I used to look at this project as this like the guiding star. Like if I just do whatever they do, it's fine. And now I come back and I'm just like, man, I really have a lot that I can teach you guys. And I understand also like the constraints. And I really do think it's like, if I have instead of like writing papers and writing grants and like having an academic career, I just got better at writing software. Okay, where the shit am I? Who are you? Here we are. Okay, and so DeepLabCut projects, this one, and then where are the videos? Okay, and then I have to go to the place where I've kept them, which is here in the sync thing folder. This is the shared folder. Yeah. On Windows, you got to install sync Trezor, but it's fine, and it just like hangs out here in your system tray. Because Windows is fucking wild. So here's the new guys. Here we go. I wish there is theoretically a way with the GoPro firmware update thing to like set the names to not be the random. Did you are you do you also it's just like it's a structural problem. And believe me, I understand. Believe me. No one could understand more. Okay, so I got this. Is there no option for the... And this is why you want me to use the CLI, but... Okay. We're not going to, though. Because I don't want to do that because your code sucks. I don't want to learn it. I'd rather just skip that middle layer and do it by hand. Control new. No offense. Who the shit are we? Where are you? What am I? God damn it. GoPros, one up from there, grab that, Control C, go over here to the videos, paste them in. Because I want to have them all together. I don't like symbolic links, freak me out. Symbolic link means shortcut. Like the data is not really there. It just says, here's where you find the data. And I close the Go. Like this is like the way that I use DeepLabCut is like this weird flim, like different routes, different ways in, because like different parts are stable from different places, and why is it? I don't know. It's taking a long time. Now I need to go in and change the config file. Oh, and I want to clip these up, don't I? Do I? Don't I? Because they're long and big. And there's a lot. There's a lot of potential opportunities for streamlining. Simple pimple for now. That's 5. That's a 40. That's 48. That's a 71. See, I got these clips. I can just like FFmpeg that shit. Should I choose? Alright, I can't remember what the code looks like anymore. Okay, so I got those, so that should be fine. These are in there. Now look at your code again. So come back up here, extract frames. Oh, do I want to? I think I. Okay, so raw carpet videos, because I don't need those anymore. I want to start it. I want to start focusing in on things. So all of, oh my god, I want to have, let's see, it's like this, what even is this shit? I have no idea. These are the this is tracked data. Right. This whole like, and again, like it's all stuff that it's like, yep, that's why we are trying. That's why we moved away from that. So I'm trying like the file system based stuff. Just like it just gets fucky. Okay. I think that's right. So now I got these, and I think we are going to want. No, I think it's fine. Because it's set up to pull 20, but I can also grab those. Okay. Do we need any of these? Alt-D? Nope. Weld. Control. Control D? What is, I don't know how to do it. I don't think we need these. Could I be in PyCharm right now? I think, well, I could if I was willing to use a Jupyter notebook, but I don't. I don't want to. Okay, so extract frames. Oh, I do want to remove. Yeah, I think I want. I think I want to remove the other videos. Annotation dataset, individual cropping parameters. Annotation dataset. Okay. Where did you come from? Oh, this is in the backups. I need a commit. Just commit before moving, before working on white sheet vids. That's a little. We can't allow them to take the concept of a white sheet. We have to retain ownership over that. I'll pull clips. When do I use these? Not until after. Okay. And then now I'm going to go over here. I'm going to say in here, boink, pop open your config. And this is the part I'm a little. Okay, so I don't think I want any of these because these are the ones like I'm happy for it to start for catastrophically forgetting some of this stuff. Let it go. Behold my marker set. You see roughly. Wait, come on. Oh, there you go. All anatomical, sort of following. Yeah. Give me like a whole anatomical chart about like which like you are a laser and you're shooting a laser that will pass through this anatomical landmark from your perspective. Trust your gut. You're a human. You're magical. Your brain is magic. Trust your gut. There's some weird duplication thing that happens here. And then the skeleton. Bot wrote a lot of it, and then I had to clean it up a lot. But you don't really plot the fucking skeleton in any way. Who? Except for in the like. Why doesn't it come on in your labeled videos? Or is that some invisible parameter? Anyways, it's hard. Oh, F12. Filtered fast mode, key points only. Scale body parts, codec. Draw skeleton. Fuck yes. Okay, it is in here. Give them that. It's in there, and I found it pretty easily. Like, it's, yeah. In academia, we make stuff that works, but it's not the culture. Like, there was a whole culture of how to do this, and we don't know it, and it makes all of science and worse, and education worse. And like, we could be more. We could kill God, but but metaphorically, you know. Draw skeleton, trail points. Ooh, trail points. I like trail points. I see. It's like the bones are so good. Confidence to alpha. No, that's not. That's a bad idea. Like, show it to me. Trail points. Okay, so I think I'm gonna have to be like somewhat mindful of, rabbit holes, because I literally do. This is like on a deadline. I have to. What are we at? Like, how many frames? It's like 120. See, like. Not like ours is any better, but I know where the problems are, and they cause me so much stress. Really, it's like Skellybot is the most up to date. It's like that's my best code because it's one I've written most recently. So now looking at free mocap, I'm like, I'm like embarrassed by it a little bit, to be honest. Okay, what is key point only? Versus? Key point only versus? Versus who else might show up in this fucking script? It's too big. It's fine. It's fine. It's ravioli. We can take it. Both videos and key points are visible. If true, only the key points are shown. Okay. These are datos. Yeah, the biological motion shit. Display cropped, colored by body part, model prefix, unit, init weights, track method, super animal name, cutoff. Cutoff. Don't cut anything off. Actually, P cutoff. What the fuck is a P? Can it be none, or will you freak out? So big. Okay. If is the enemy. So it's like, I like if statements. It's like, no, you don't. And then skiffing. And now it's gone. Where'd it go? When do we use it? No way to know. Func partial. Now it's in here. Jesus fucking Christ. Pool map. Is it multi-processing pool? Well, that looks good at least. Where are you? Nice. Okay. I'm glad that you're doing. That's good to know that you're doing that. Where's your fucking log statements too? Func. Videos and like also like pep 8 please. It's fine. Okay, so I don't know if it can be none. It doesn't matter because it's just I'll make it very small because also that's not what we're even doing right now. We've gotten distracted. Where we are is we've added new videos. We want to extract frames. There's going to be uniform. Punch it. Oh, I need to run the first cell. Man, look at this. I'm running cells and shit. I remember when the world was so simple back then. Hey, can you do this task by yourself once? Yeah. Cool. Can you make it possible for anybody in the world to do it, who, especially people who don't have any idea what they're doing? Maybe. Okay, extracting frames based on uniform, extracting frames from 0. Like, yeah, it's like, yeah, I'm gonna show up here, just fucking, like, fuck you up with some logs, chop, just gut it, just absolutely eviscerate it, and just like the whole, like, it, like, none of the working code will go anywhere, but it will just explode apart into tiny little pieces that are going to go in a wildly different folder structure. And you don't have to use it. You don't have to. But I need to, and I can't use this shit. I'm sorry. Not like I'm perfect, but I know what I want. It ain't the fuck this. Type hints, pedantic models, unicorn servers. Keep your fucking files small. Fucking if statements. Fuck a config. The sin of global state. Type hints. Oof. We're good. Also, oh my god, the logs alone are gonna just, that's so easy. I actually found the logs. What am I doing here? So we're doing this. Is there other tasks we could be doing right now? We could be looking at the stuff that's coming in. I found your abortive attempts at setting up logging. It's in main, or you don't have a main, whatever the fuck you call it. You do have a main, but the fake main, the launch GUI. What the fuck is this? This one? Oh my god. Okay. Pose config, and okay. Who's your name? Who are the real ones? Old. Is this okay? Am I supposed to be doing this? Cause I would like merge. I merged something at some point. Fuck me. Wait, okay, let's think about this. Right, we want to start forgetting. Raw carpet from, and that's going to be everything that's not this, not these guys. So 35, for 35, 40, 48, and 71. Everybody else, go away. Okay, how we doing over here? We're happy? Good, yeah. At least use rich and color your color stuff. Like this is, it's just like, it's so, like you know, talking to people in the CLI, it's like print statements like this. I mean, it's how we did pre-alpha because we were copying you. And it's just like coming back now, like several years later, it's just like, oh my god. It's like, right, yeah, because you guys were like writing papers and like getting grants and stuff. like, oh, good, I got a postdoc who can do this. It's like they've they've done it before as a student. It's like the fact that it's like I mean, I was a postdoc. People would have considered me quite technical. Like I was trained by Endurance, who is a person, CTO for Mocap Foundation, and he has been like honing his skills in software development for as long as I have been honing mine at whatever the hell it is that I do. So like, yeah. It's like, I think it's, anyways. Okay, so we can do that. All right. Ooh, yeah. Give me that. Look at that. Love it. Nice. Okay, so let's I don't want 20 from each of these fucking things. I want 5. Okay, so because 5 times 4 is a total of 20. Is that, I don't want that much either. I want 12. People always say dozen. Dozen's a good number. So if I pull 3 from each one, then that's good. Am I showing too much skin? Will they respect me? This is pulled uniform. So is this uniform spacing? It might be. don't like them. All right, let's do k-means. Because like it didn't grab any of her like actually doing anything interesting, so we'll do k-means even though it's gonna take a second. Which is fine actually. It's okay if it takes a second. I feel pretty okay about the timeline. I'm so fuck me. I wish I had reprocessed that video with the skeleton turned on before I like cleaned out all the red carpet stuff, the raw carpet stuff. Keslavai, as they say. Nobody says that. Wait, can I still do it with this? Maybe. Train network, evaluate network. I don't know what the fuck this does. Just to be clear, this is basically worthless. It's like, here's a bunch of just fucking default matplotlib charts. It's like, great. I'm sure glad you didn't make the axes fit. I appreciate it. I don't know. It's just like, I get it. I do get it. Okay, Pooh shortish clips. This should work actually. No, because I moved the videos. Right? Yeah. But I can make it go back. I just go over here. I go to this. I go to the ones that I clipsed. Yeah, that's good. That one, and that one. Thank you. Wait, what's this one? Are these the same? Okay, Jesus, fuck. Clips. Oh, there's a lot of clips. I see. They're from different places, different angles. I'm not trying to get it to learn. I wanted to specialize in the last video because it'll be easier for it to learn that. And when I start catastrophic forgetting, sorry, Pooh. I mean, it works. This one is not for front. Sorry. Okay, so it's really just it's this one. This one? Yeah, that's the good one. Okay. And you are a good one. Good jumpies. Videos, blink. Because I wanted to. Oh no, it could still be in here. I have to link to it properly, and it's just gonna. There's also a lot of like, this is another thing I associate with academic code. It's just like, like, hey man, I made some decisions, and if you don't follow those decisions, it's not gonna work. It's like just like brittle. It's very brittle paths, and it's like you have to do a lot of things, and then you push the button, and it works. If you do anything else, listen, man. Like, do you have any idea how hard it was to do this once? Now you want me to make it work like arbitrarily? Okay, who are you now? I wanted to analyze. Yes. If I do this, does it disable it? Yeah. What the shit? This is like a cool thing I like about VS Code. You can do this hashtag space %%, and you make cells that you can run. It's like a Jupyter notebook, but like way simpler. And you can now, this is just a Python script. I can just run this as a script. I don't like Jupyter notebooks. I just don't like them. Yes, nice. And I can comment out the line, and then now I just run this as one cell. Trail points 30. Oh, right, because I turned all this stuff on. Was there anything else I wanted to turn on before I punch it? Video type. I don't know what shuffle means. Fast mode. What does that mean? Are you getting stuff into the config file? Yeah, great. Just fucking yeet it somewhere into funk. Where you go? Pool min CPU count len videos as pool results. Is that results? Results append funk video. Where the fuck is funk? Partial of what? I forget how this shit works. Proc video. Proc video. It's a great name. It's a great name you've chosen. Super fan of that as the name. Helper function. Is this, by the helper function, do you mean where all the work is done? It's fine. It's very good. It's great. It works great. It truly does. Get lens. Does it work? You're on, right? Yeah, it just doesn't work, I guess. Someone else's code. It should still show me. Anyways, I got distracted. Okay, trail points. We're setting 30, even though I don't know what the FPS is. It's 120 FPS. Fucking GoPros, man, I tell you. Color by body part. I don't know what that is. Dot size is 8. It's probably fine. Alpha is 0.5. It's fine. Overwrite's fine. Don't know what that. Oh, terrible idea. Don't do that. Because that's like, hide the bad data. It's like, no, I guess for demos, but like, just show me the data. Like, can we be honest with each other? Run it. It should be relatively fast because it's just that one clip. So 3,000 frames. Did you show up? Can you see this in OBS? No, we can't. Interesting. Actually, let me see. Windows G. Control Shift P. Click on Control Shift P, and screencast mode. What was it? Are you still thinking? Oh, it takes forever to start up. But it does start, and it catches up eventually. I don't know what's going on down there. I would not presume. But I might, though. Oh my god. There you go. 6 items per second. What was I doing? Get lens is on. I do get cracking. Oh, I was going to not Control G, not Windows G. Oh, yes, Windows G, but you can't see it on the OBS, so not Windows G. What is it? Control Shift Escape. The resource? This guy? No. This guy? Squiggles? Mr. Squigs? Yeah, nice. All right, we on the GPU, and we're yeah, 3090, y'all. Can we get those for cheap yet? Because like crypto, they switched to proof, like Ethereum switched to proof of stake, so like whoever was out there mining Ethereum just like probably wants to dump their GPUs. Um, GPU. Mm. And then wasn't there some like refurbished 3090? That's what I want. And there was some like what was it, like not A100? Is it A100? There was some model of like GPU that is used in like professional like server farms. Um, Not like 3090 is like some gamer bullshit, but there was like whatever the one like they really like the real like I think it's A100s. Um, like the new models coming out. So the A100 is still better than anything you and I are going to get. But any company that is like, we have to have the best one is about to have a bunch of A100s on their hands that they're trying to offload. This is what the man on TikTok told me. I have no additional information besides my memory of a TikTok of a person who I have not vetted. But he seemed like he seemed trustworthy. How are we at? 1400. I don't know if that's more than I want. I mean, more than I'm spending. That's for dang sure. I don't know if that's like a good deal. I guess the fact that you can get it is better than it used to be. But you don't even have like it's the VRAM these days. $40 gigs of VRAM here. I don't know how any of this shit works. Who are you? So you're only 16. Da-da. All right, and this counts as productive because this thing is processing. Ooh. I am told by people who I have trusted and vetted, humans I real know for real, memory type, memory interfaces, that it like the Apple M1s and M2s have like integrated virtual memory, graphics memory or whatever, so that the GPU can just use the regular computer's RAM, which is game changer because like this computer has like absurd RAM, like it's like 128 gigs of RAM, like more than anyone would ever need. But my GPU only has 24 gigs, so like only. um, Anyways. Yeah, so the new Macs, I am told, like allow you to, yeah, so like you could like with a lot of GPU stuff, the real cost, like the question mark is, can you get the data onto the GPU? And often that's just defined by like how much storage do you have on it, how much RAM memory do you have on the GPU to process the data that you're trying to process. And you can see here I am maxed out, which the assumption is that if I had more, it would be in use. And in my memory, my regular memory, is sitting idle. Like I have, whatever, like freaking like 90 gigs of available RAM, which is bonkers. But yeah, this was like this is the story of this computer is strange. It's like it's nice and I'm happy to have it, and I use the shit out of it for like research and stuff. But it's like it's kind of a silly computer. Weird bureaucratic reasons for such things. Who are you? Who are we? Still running, still running. So what are we? Oh, it's analyzing videos. Analyzing videos. Yeah, so that makes sense that it's using the GPU. I don't know what this is because it is. Yeah, it's like it's using the PyTorch models or whatever the hell it is down there. TensorFlow. Okay, what can I be doing in the meantime? Okay, so I could be... Oh, right. I want to be running that k-means thing. And I want to run it from a different place. So I'm just gonna open the GUI here because is k-means gonna happen on the GPU or on the CPU? We'll find out. Might bonk out. We'll see. If it does, I will not. I'll live. Because the analyze videos is aesthetic, anyways. I get it. You gotta talk to the robot. Launch. It's one of these things too. It's like you got this like little like hop skip here. Like oh like da da da. If it's like this, do that. If it's like that, do this. It's like like just crash, man. Just like let it crash. Like just don't just. It's like you need a better UI than like hoping people are gonna jump in and just like run your scripts. Leaky. Because yeah, it's just like there's too many routes in, out, and around, and like I'm certain that you guys get inundated with people who are like, how does it work? Hey, how do you run it? Hey, I found a bug in your GUI. Ah, did you? Did you now? Thanks. That's great. Thank you for that. It's like, yeah, I get it. I do. Don't know what any of this shit means. Okay, punch it. Gotta love this. This is the feedback. It's items, times, and items per second. It's like I do appreciate that it is feedback that is telling me that it is running. This is in fact useful information. I feel it could be just a touch more verbose. It's so classic. I just like, and it's like this is what grad students, this is what we do to ourselves. And it's fine because it's like, yep, I dug this crazy hole. Behold, my insanity. Okay. I didn't really check what was going on the. But yeah, it's like I don't know, like this collaborative thing that open source is supposed to be. It's just it could be, is actually, and that we in the sciences fucking suck at it. Like open source, what is it? One of my shticks. The open source community is what the scientific community pretends to be. Heard it here first. Okay. So I don't know if this number has gone up. I feel like I guess I could check. So we're still running. Up the number it's up to 2,400 now. Out of presumably some larger number. What number? Well, there's no way to know. Oh dear. Okay. Who's running it? It's PyCharm. How you doing? Oh, I don't know if it's gonna show up as PyCharm or it's gonna be like a Python thing. Take your time. Just take your time. And then I think after this, there's like a thing that pops up at like some inscrutable semi-grammatical sentence, and it says, "This could take a long. This takes a while." It's like, now I've said this. I like, listen. There is no sin I could ever list that I have not committed myself more and harder. This is why I know. This is how I recognize it. It's like, listen, man. I don't know how to give you updates from inside of there. It's insane. Like, listen. Like, you need this code. What this code screams to me is, do you have any idea how hard it was to get this working the first time? Anytime you're looking at somebody else's code, you're looking at the aftermath of a hard battle, and it must be treated with the respect that a battlefield deserves. Just like a lot of resources, a lot of precious resources. Today? Someone has told me that they need a letter of recommendation from me today. Oh, yeah. Hey. Tell her that. Yeah, tell her that my permission. She can. Like, it's like I said yes once. You know, I don't need to say, like, I already said yes. What did she say here? There's something. Yeah, me hoping to get it in by Thursday. It's hoping I get it in by Thursday. Okay, never mind. Actually, let me check. Let me see. Let me see if I can eat it in real quick. Stuff is processing, so I have downtime. I should. This I probably feel like I shouldn't. Right? This is somebody else's private stuff. But yeah, I'll do it over here. It's a letter of recommendation situation. It's like, I'm so fucking checked out of this. Like, I'm like looking at my emails. It's like, what? What are you talking about? There it is. Okay. I'm gonna pause the recording while I do this. Be back. Bye. Okay, we're back. I have submitted that recommendation. I forgot that you can just do that. It's like, once you write it, you can send it multiple places. But also, God, I fucking hate. I have so much. The anger in my heart cannot be overstated. Okay, so this part has. We've gone to the next one, which is also just. Random. Okay. And we have been hypothetically pulling frames from, extracting frames using k-means. Yeah. Okay, I think I'm going to. You can go. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, go into the config. Okay, go into the fucking thing. Here we are. Here we are. Right click some, hit that, go to open in code. Oof, it's here twice, which is never great. No, it's not. Close all of you, and then we got config.yaml. Look at this, just, I don't know why it does that. Okay, fraction of the video. Fraction of the video start stop when extracting frames from lab. I don't want to do that, it's fine. Frames to pick a bunch. I'll chop them up. Give me a bunch and I'll grab 3. Like, I don't need you to tell me which ones are the interesting ones. I already know. And like, it takes, you saw how long it took. This is like one of the things I keep learning in all of this, in AI bot space, blah, blah, blah. It's like, if I can just do it, sometimes it's like, I would rather just like know when to just do the fucking work. Okay, where are you? You are here. I am here. We are here. Okay. You get them. You're not gonna be able to do that. That's fine. Vidyas. Oof. Is it in here? Good. Yeah. Okay. Whoa. Oh. Jesus fuck. What the hell? Why are there so many of them? I think I did something wrong. Because this is only 4,000. There's more. There's a bigger one. Cat Feb 28th. Okay. Is there some fucking thing where I have to tell it which one to use? It doesn't just have like higher numbers are better. Shit. Like what are these shuffles? There's too many, and the cutoff. Oh, the cutoff is very high. Do that, and just do that. Draw skeleton is true, but it's not multi-animal. Is there a way to tell if there's only going to be one of them? Or I guess it was hard to tell. Like it's confusing, I think. Okay. Don't want to run this again. What else could I be doing right now? The rest I could be doing from the GUI. So I will run this again. And you can overwrite equals true. Video type shuffle, training set index. I feel like it. DLC models, iteration 3. There's the guy. Training set is there. Testing set is there. Snapshot 4000. I guess we're using snapshot. Is that what we're doing? checkpoint. There was an 8,000 somewhere, wasn't there? Or 80,000? I don't know. Anyways, whatever. Next iteration. So you can run. Thank you. Will you be faster in any way? I honestly can't remember. What did I change? Oh, I told it not to do the 30 FPS. So yeah, 30. Because you're using matplotlib and that's slow as fuck. That's what it is. You're doing some matplotlib bullshit. More academic code. Bless your heart. Respect. That's how I got here. That's how I know. Okay, fuck me. How are we doing? Okay. 1 hour. It's like clockwork. 101. Like it's like I can feel it. It's very cool. Okay. Pop the GUI. So I can just have like an internal clock of like you've been on camera for an hour. And I just have this moment of like and it hits again at the 2s, and I don't get to 3 typically, but when I did, it was like it's like ka-tonk, ka-tonk, ka-tonk is the vibe. Okay. What am I doing here? I am doing uniform extraction. So let me double check. Can I pop in a new? I can. Okay, and what color is Pooh? Control Shift P. Control K, Control T. Okay, sure, I'm down. KT. Ho. What color is Pooh? Pooh's a tabby. Pooh's a brown tabby? Cat theme? Do we got? Come on, what do you got? It's thematic, you see. She wishes she was a barn cat. She's always picking fights with Ollie, who's the bigger cat, and like this feels Pooh-ish. It's because I'm just like Tailwind. Are you gonna teach me how Tailwind works? Alley cat. No. Okay, Control Shift P, color theme, brown. I don't hate it. I want it to be like distinctive. I like that. That's distinctive. I don't like that it's called brownie. Hey. I do want to steal all of VS Code. Just like I feel like that one, like what is it? Who's the VS Code clone? Is it Chrome? Codium? There's like people keep stealing that name. Codium. But what am I doing? Like it is just VS because VS Code is made by Microsoft. But it is open source. It just has a bunch of like trackers and shit in it. So some people have a thing that just like every time Microsoft publishes something, they just like grab it, scrape the trackers, and then recompile it. I'm not using it, but I should be if I want to be cool guy. Okay, here we are. All right, okay. It's honestly not terrible. Okay. God, I can't wait to learn how this shit works. I do need to be focusing on getting stuff done, but I also did realize that there's the simple walking across is a way better test of how we're doing. It's just got these hideous fucking names. What are they called? Where is it? It's not this. Oh, what is this? That's the original. And this is 8080. 88,000. Okay, so clip 1 and tag simple. I know I could be cleaning this up, but like that's my point. Like I don't want to. I just want to like make a UI, model view controller. Just like you have one, and just like the whole vibe is also like, listen, don't use the GUI. All of our docs are not about the GUI. It's like, you know, the GUI hasn't. It's like it's strange. It's just strange, you see. Okay. Why didn't you do that? Okay. Control, comma, nice. And we're doing workspace, which is just this guy. And in here we're searching for chala. I don't want to hurry. Color, theme. Come on. What do we call it? Brownie? Ugh. Okay. Great. Now that's how we can see you. So you're over here. Now I'm over here. Config there. Bump you up. And the fuck are we doing here? Was I doing this here? I wasn't. Wrong place. I was over here. And in this part, in the shortest clips, that's where I do this. As much fun as it is to be back in like slop code land, it's like it makes me uncomfortable. It's like, wait a minute, this. So I just need to lean into like the, oh my god, I got to get it done, like that kind of energy. Okay, and then I'm gonna hit you again, punch it. Oh. Yeah, and like, I don't know what the fuck you're doing in your init file, but it should not take that long to import. I know exactly what you're doing in your init file. The answer is anything. Okay, and we want to hit this again, which this has now been combined. So punch it. And this will also tell us if we're targeting the wrong one, because we have that other one to reference. Test and train. See, this one's big. Evaluation results. I don't know. I don't understand how anything has ever worked. Which one's test and train? I don't know, man. Fucking whatever. Okay, you're over here now. Did you run? Because there's two, right? Duration of the video, loading this one, simple, do that one, 1700 with that cropping. Yeah, you'll get through that. Okay, so now we're over here and we want to run piop open the GUI. There you go, thank you. And we are, this is running. I'm gonna restart just because I know how these things go. Believe me. Yoink. Load project. Like, remember, like, there's an open recent up here, but it doesn't seem to work. It's like, oh my god, it's just like. It's like, yeah, I know. Get that. I get that. I understand that. Cannot express to you how much I get that. Okay. Manual doesn't work as far as I can tell. I don't know how to make it work. Frame cropping method. I'm not going to do frame cropping. From a video subset. And just punch it on through. This one gives no feedback whatsoever. I'll come through. Don't worry. I'll come through. I'll do the whole fucking thing. I will make many commits you can pick and choose. Give it to a student. They'll do it. They'll love that. They love that sort of like toss them in the thicket. Some of them because it's like it's work you can do. It's meaningful. It's helpful. It will be explained because there'll be a video of like me while I'm doing it. I will be opinionated as it will be an opinionated review, as they say. See, my kingdom for a raw item counter, like my kingdom for such a thing. Blah. Here we are. Where are you? Labeled data? Is this the guy? Oh yeah, where are we now? That's you. Yeah, get him. There's no reason this should take this long. Hey bot. Here I am. Here's SkellyBot in my SkellyBot server. SkellyBot is SkellyBot. You can see him right here. Right now you got to run it yourself. You'll get it eventually. You have to set some things up because it costs money to run, but you can run it yourself if you want. Who are you? While this is running, and it is still running. What are you like? Watch this. In the FFmpeg channel of my SkellyBot server, I go to chat and I say, "Give me a FFmpeg command that will pull 100 equally spaced frames from an MP4 video and save them in a folder called frames." Straight up. I didn't have to tell it FFmpeg. I guess I did say FFmpeg, but I didn't have to. There you go. And it would work. It just would. Explain every little... It's close. You were under the line, but it was close. Applies a video. Okay, so I is input. -VF is apply video filter. The select filter. Okay. Oh. Okay, apply video filter. Which one? The select filter. Which chooses frames to output. Selects them. That makes sense. Oh, and then that's probably illogical. So not mod. Okay, let's keep going. N is the frame index. Nice. Capital N is the total number of frames in the video. Nice. You just know that? This is still running, right? I'm not wasting, as long as something is processing, then I'm not wasting time. It's just, yeah, you see? It's processing. Okay. What do I want? 1/100th of the total frame count rounded up, not inverse the selection, picking the frames with the remainder is 0, i.e. evenly spaced frames. VSync VFR variable rate that frames are output, timing the main, what the fuck that means. Presentation. So things like N and N are just available in the ffmpeg command. What else is available like that, where I get list of it? Okay. Now I'm not gonna do this, but like I promise you that this will pull. Like I probably wouldn't even be able to notice how quickly it would run, and it would give me very verbose and beautiful outputs. In fact, I might do that. Let's see where we are. I'll let it die before the last one, or on the last one. Oh my god, we're still on the second one. Okay, we'll just go ahead and do that. And then I might need to take a break or something, huh? Where are we at? Yeah, we're still doing stuff. Okay, where are you? I can do it in this. Oh, I can do it in the storage folder. So I don't have to. I won't collide, and it will be done before the fourth one will be done, because I don't know what the fuck you're doing in there, but it's very slow. Empirically, from my perspective on the outside, I suspect that there may be some more efficient routes to achieve the same, or perhaps even improved, base level functionality. Okay. Yeah, fucking coward. Okay. Now I say, in audio. Because I don't like to type. That was never a good way for primates to produce language. I mean, it's very precise. Okay. I'm going to show off a bit, I guess. Discord app, same place, because Discord is a sloppy piece of shit software as well. And they're not open source, so I don't have to be nice to them. So fuck them. Wild. Yeah, but you can do voice memos from the mobile, but not from the desktop. Can you make me a command that I can put into a .bat file that will look through the current folder for any MP4 and then pull a set number of equally spaced frames from those videos, and then save them into a folder in the same folder, and the name of the folder should be the same as the name of the video file minus the extension, and the name of the images that get saved should be name of the video _ frame, and then a 40 padded number of the increment, I guess. And they should be PNGs. And it should run from a .bat batch script. That should probably hit. Okay, my computer has stopped being loud, so presumably something has... You're still going. You gotta be joking. You've gotta be joking. What are you doing in there? What's happening? Am I gonna check? Nope, not gonna check. Don't want to check. Keep it in here. I don't. This isn't actually not necessarily a. This is. I think this is actually pull 100 equally spaced frames.bat from local MP4s. Yes. Right click some. Open and edit in Notepad. And that, did I save it already? I did. Save. Does it work? Of course it fucking works. It does work. That makes the folder, but doesn't put images in them. What changed? Nope. Nope. Still broke. I've had stuff like this happen before. I think it's like botting, like you. It's like when the camera's on, you do things faster, and it shows up with the bot. I think. Still broken. Make a simple pimple FFmpeg version. That's much simpler. I don't know. Oh, I gotta do the thing where it's like echo and pause and stuff like that. How do I do the thing where it pauses at the end so I can see the term out? You don't have to spell right. Okay, so theoretically, okay, are you done? Okay, theoretically you are done. Pause? Is that right? This good for Win 11? FPS 1 out of 600? Okay, what's the 1 out of 600 thing? I want 100 equally spaced frames. Edit in Notepad. Expression extract every 600 seconds. That's probably why. It probably just, yeah, it was too many. Every 600 seconds. FPS is 1 in 600. Oh, that's interesting. Oh! What? Oh. I see. Okay, FPS. How many frames per second? So, one every 10 seconds seems reasonable. Let's see what you do with that. Let's see what you do with that, bucko. That's what it was. Am I gonna eat my words? I don't think so. I think it's just, you're still, it's still running. No. Well, I also asked it for way less, but I still don't believe it. I have a dream of stuffing like everything into one big guy, like all the metadata, like put We'll talk about it later. Okay. What did we learn today? I don't know. Who cares? Do I want these more? I kind of do, actually. After all of this. Okay. Oh, dang it. GoPro. So I like this method. I want more of them. And I don't. Sorry, guys. I don't want it. I don't want what you're doing. Press any key to continue. Thank you very much. And now instead of one every 10 seconds, one every 1 second. How long is this video? It's 300 frames. 3 minutes. It's 180 seconds. Is that right? Is it 3 minutes? What are we even doing? Oh, this is for all of them. Yeah. That's fine. For each of them, I suppose. Because I think I do want to find... Oh, they should be synchronized. I could... I mean, FFmpeg is wild. I want to make this... Yeah, FFmpeg bot. Brain juices. Focus. How are we doing? It's half an hour. It's 3 minutes ish. Doesn't matter. Don't have to check. So if I did one every 1 second, it'd be 180. If I did one every 2 seconds, it'd be 90. Sure. That's also now I can check that should be half a frame per second. Now we can. This is also a better check of like how fast it is relative to the other one. So yeah. So this is just a guy. Put him here. Where do you live? Can I pop you open? No. I gotta pin something here, but like this is. I don't want to pin this shit too hard. Okay. Punch it. Speed. So I think when it says speed, it's telling you like the speed that with which it is processing through the video relative to like playing it at real time, because I think that's what is happening under the hood. Also, I don't know if you can hear my computer like taking off. Ooh, we do. Oh. Oh, is this what we get from the fucking thing? Did we always have this? See, it doesn't give you fractional seconds, so because it doesn't know, which is annoying. This is one of the things that's like, could you have? You tried to. Why don't you have why don't you have fractional seconds on here? Like, aren't you grown-ups? First of all, cancel. Blah blah. Using it harder than it was ever meant to be used. Yeah, where's my resources? Resource monitor. Wait, what is it? Control Shift Escape. Who the hell is that? I don't want to do it. See, this, yeah, it's cranking my CPU. Let me drag you to the bottom of the ocean. I am now curious. Let me see. Here we are. Why? Wah. Wah. Um. We done? No. And why are we... Like, what is the fan? It's like the fan's like, we're good. We're cold enough now. I got this. Okay, so we do have that. I just want to see. I just want to check. I just want to look. I just want to check what's going on in here. Yeah, see, done. I just want to see what's going on in here. Algo. Great. Thanks for calling it Algo. Is there going to be some fucking config file bullshit again? I swear to Christ. For one thing, use F strings. I mean, did they have F strings when you came here? Like, what the shit? Like, what? Like, yeah, you're just, yeah. If OpenCV, what does that even do? Yeah, you're doing this. You're doing some. OpenCV is true. Great. Video writer. Yeah, great. Glad you chose to use the same name. Oh, MoviePie? Fuck MoviePie. Like, make a choice. Don't use the one that works. And definitely, like, all these fucking if statements. Every if statement splits the world. It splits reality, and now there's 2 possible routes. And look how many if statements you have. It's not how we do that. There's fucking tools for that. Calm down. I obviously understand. This is exactly what you knew it was going to be, John. There's no part of you is surprised by this. Every frame. Jesus fuck. Okay. Thank you. Ooh, oh. Anyways, so then we got these. And we are going to be I want to be done, I want to be done, I want to be done for now. Stop. What the fuck? Notifications. Oh, that was Windows N. You can tell I'm tired because I am salty. Come on. We're only pulling 3 from each one, actually. I'm doing this wrong. I need to be pulling chunks. Yeah, I need to be... Well, I need to know where to pull the chunks from, though. Okay. Give me the view. Give me extra large. Okay, so... Aw. That's cute. It looked like a grandpa. It's gonna be great. Okay. Did I get the wrong number? Did I do that math wrong? Who cares? I think I did. Ugh. This one here. Come on. Okay, come on. What are you doing? Come on. What the shit? What are you doing, friend? Why are you stupid right now? Be smart. Okay, what am I trying to do? See, this is the brain going 1:30, hour 30. I had another half an hour recording earlier today, so maybe that's what the pool, maybe that's what the counter is checking. Okay, come up with the step. Like, what is the actual steps that you need to be performing right now to make forward progress? Do it. Come on. Sure, pencil. Blue pencil. So I have a model partially trained, and I have new videos. So I want to analyze videos, but I need to pull chunks. Vids. Before I can do that, I need to pull chunks. I should be doing this on the tablet, but I'll do that later. I need to pull chunks out, and then I need to run those through analyze vids, and then label vids. Then extract outliers, and then refine labels, and then I think at that point it would be some of this bullshit. Extract outliers, refine labels, merge data sets, and then from merge data sets I would again run training set, and then train network, and then and then that's all, and then the shit you do after that. Oh, I do have to the refine labels is when I do a lot of clickums. Okay, so step one of this, here's for posterity. Oh wait, I don't have that one. Wait, are you not running? Jesus, we have teased this whole time. I didn't even realize. Which one is the dark one? This one's the dark one. I didn't even realize I was doing that. It's fine. Who gives a shit? Why is this one on? Who are you? Nothing's touched cameras recently. Bye. Mm. Mm-hmm. 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 Cameras. What a pain. Cameras. Cameras. Does whatever camera does. Oh. I wonder if I do hope my friend my friend Tamra someday finds out, or I have the opportunity to tell them that I say camera because they once had a voice memo that introduced themselves as Tamamara. Okay. Who are you and what? Okay, so we did that little side so I could do this. That's the plan. I wish I'd done that on a tablet because I know how to do that now. I've got that workflow kind of figured out. Step one is chunkletize this videos, which I have a chunkletization script already written somewhere. So now I figure out where it is. Here, is it in here? What's all this goop? Pull chunks. That sounds right. And just to be clear, I don't know how to do batch files. The bot told me like yesterday. Pull chunks.bat. Right click. Like I've seen them. Like I knew enough to ask about them. Enable delayed expansion. Enable delayed expansion. Actually, I don't need to do that. I don't know actually what will Discord do if I put just like a bat file in, because like I think from a security perspective they don't like bat files. It's a bat file is like it's like just be careful about double clicking on one of those is all I'm saying. I'm sure it's protected these days, but it's just like it's a little close to the guts. It's like the live wires. It's like don't touch that part or you'll die. It's like ooh, what? It's like are there protections on here? It's like yeah, some. Adapt this so it chunks. This is the right move. Fuck this. Oh my god. Chunks up a long video into 20-second chunks. 20 seconds? Okay, so I want this to be faster. Faster feedback loop. 10 seconds. 1 1000, 2 1000, 3 1000, 4 1000, 5 1000, 6 1000, 7 1000, 8 1000, 9 1000, 10 1000. That's enough time for interesting behaviors. That's what I'm saying. Into 10-second chunks. The last one might be shorter. Zero 1999. Explain yourself. But I trust you. Despite the thing I said before about be careful. Also, grip it and rip it. Like, hey, there's nothing interesting happening in here. It's like, do I know what this says? No. Does it make sense? Yeah, it's like some bullshit. There's like what the shit is this? What the shit is that? It's like probably some bash nonsense. Like go to EOF is end of file. The colon means something. I don't know what that 999 is. I think it just goes like I think this is like it's like a break or whatever. Make them, save them to a folder called folder structure like chunked vids, name of vid, chunk n of chunk num. See, this is where you use abbreviations because bot can see it. Chunk num of total. Actually, that's gonna add a lot of complexity. Chunk zero padded chunk num. Let's see what the bot, how many zeros the bot gives it. I didn't close that, but it's fine. It doesn't. It gets the not rendered text. Okay, so now we're getting some complexity. It hits this with, yeah. I mean that's a good chunk length. Nice and safe. Okay, so I guess this is how we denote X-clams? What's those X-clams doing? Oh, powering name. X-clams are used for delayed variable expansion in batch script. This allows you to use the updated value variable inside of a loop without delayed expansion using % instead. The variable would not change its value within the loop because it would just be expanded just once. Oh, okay. That's the thing at the top. It says delayed set local. I got you, and then end local. Cool. I'm gonna turn echo on because I want it to print more. Echo off is like don't print shit, I think, but I love these logs. I want more. Explain in detail. I'm dumb baby. This is one of those cases where it's like I've skipped several layers here, and so it's giving me explanations as if I understand what's going on. And just to be clear, remember we're still on path. Full chunks. Chunk thing isn't working, but it's fine. 30 seconds into it didn't get the 10-second bit. It's fine. See, you do actually have to like look at it. Yeah. Okay, sure, let's break it down, he says. They say. It's used for variable expansion. So it's like the expansion is the term that I want to know about. Replaced by the variable, for instance, would be replaced by in the loop. Yeah, whatever. Oh. Oh, this is the old script. It's running the old one. Because I told it to. Oh, and then I say pause at the end as well. Because I think I copied it and I was like, oh wait, no. I put them in a folder because it was annoying otherwise. Right click, edit in Notepad. Here you go, boink-a-doink. And then I say end local and I say pause. I learned that like a minute ago. I don't know. Pull chunks. But you're still thinking though, is it too much? Have I asked too much of you? What are you doing, buddy? What's happening? A lot is what's happening. 10 seconds. Okay. Pull chunks, and I need to do the analyze vids. Okay, so I'm gonna pull. So theoretically, these chunk numbers should align across the different. I don't know why. I don't know what I've done here, but it's going. How many should I expect from here? Are they all going in the same? These are all. This is the full video, so it's going to be a lot, and they're small pieces. We know this. This is going to take a second. Something's fucky with the file system, though. I guess it's probably the bat stuff. It did appear to catch up. Turn to command. Okay, so this is 4 minutes. So 4 times 60 is 20, 240. Something's fucky. It shouldn't be that many. The numbers have not lined up with this thing. These things are really bad at counting. We know that about this. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. That's that. So if for some reason it's continuing to make them. Yes. Okay. This is the place where I should go away and stop doing this thing that's like this like tangential effort. You know what I mean? It's like ah yes, this is technically moving us in the direction, but there's way more direct routes. Um, Especially because okay, we need to pop a new chat. Uh, and I say listen works, but it makes a bunch more videos than it needs to, and the terminal output was blank. Some bug in the logic. Yeah. Great. Please fix. Thank you. You are a lifesaver. It's being like, I gotta get away from this fucking narc GPT-4 and like you know we'll get to we'll get there, but like right now it's still the smartest one, so you know do what you can. But it's like it's been really like they changed the vibes under the hood, and it's like recently like if somebody's like, oh, like I don't want to write that for you, just like has started refusals, I guess is what they call it as a behavior, and it's annoying. See, like it didn't write the whole thing. Like it's like oh, this is all you need. It's like just write the whole thing, man. Like it's 2 extra lines. Okay. We have officially passed threshold. I no longer care, and the bot seems to be bad. Like, oh, do I have the memory of this? Oh, I have it in the previous one. Okay, it worked well enough, and I can just delete the ones I don't want. Christ almighty, now I gotta do a bunch of fucking shit, so alright, how are those other videos going while that's running? And actually, okay, so this whole yeah. So the whole it's the making of the folders that made it get screwy. I think this was working just fine, or is it the same? can you double check this one to make sure it will break properly at the end of the file? It's actually okay if we miss the last few seconds if it's less than a chunk size. It sees replies. Calculate the number of chunks beforehand. Oh, this is still the part that had... Oh, it still put the folder in here. It's fine. It's a little confused, but it's got the spirit. Right clicks. And right clicks. You. And you. Donkey shins. I don't want to read that. That only pulls the first 10-sec chunk. Well, I'm not doing it. I don't want... Okay, we're almost there. I was trying to show off and then I just wasted a bunch of time. Mostly just because it's like... This was a... I tried to go too deep. I tried to go like, 2 layers below. It's like you can operate 1 layer below your depth. 2 layers is where it starts to get screwy because you start losing, like, I lose the ability to like spot check and fix things. This should be fine too. And theoretically, so I want to grab like a couple of clips. Let's say 3 clips. 3x3, baby. 3x4, I guess. Okay, 4x4. Squares. 4 clips. And then match across cams. Because it'll be like the same movement, which I can pick. And yeah, I'll have one. Okay, one boring, one exciting, one sitting, laying, and then one walking. Oh, one sitting, one laying. So boring is like walking. Exciting is like jumping. Okay, do we get them all? Or we're still in here? Okay, great. Oh, but that was the same one as before, actually. It's the same. Okay. Dum 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 dum. Oh. Okay. So, because I think it also might be getting confused because of like the MP4 counter. Let's do the stupid way. Let's do the stupid way. Nope, 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 nope. Let's do it the stupid way. The stupid way, otherwise known as the smart way. One at a time, because I actually do know how to do stuff. I actually do know how to do things sometimes. Why this wrong? It's because you did it wrong, he says. It wants that to already exist, huh? Great, I can do that. See, check this out. Look at me doing things manually. I know how. I just choose not to. Right click, edit notepad. Try to be fancy, John. Oh, did you name it the right thing even? You didn't. Let's do it. No, it's explicit. Explicit. Thank you. And we'll call you 035 chunks. Somebody say clips, but it's fine. Well, the bot said clips. And I'm going to make another one. Okay, are you running? Good job. Good job, buddy. I never doubted you. Oh, 48 chunks. Oh, 71 chunks. And are we still thinking? Because I know that you're stupid and you do this dumb thing. And 25 is going to be your max, right? And then you're just going to like make... Okay, good job. I'm very proud of you. You did it. Ay, ay, ay. 040. And now, watch this piece of bullshit. I'm going to call this... What did we get? You get a bit? Oh, wait, it's not going to work. Badoo badoo doo CBB. Boom boom 71. Thank you. Right. Thank you. Hey. I have two. Which ones are real? 48? Probably. We call this parallel processing. Why do these all stay open? Come on. I got it. Notepad. Notepad. Yeah, let's do that. Don't. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Oh, because it's dying now. That's why it has to do the autosave thing. That's funny. Okay. And we said you're 8. And here you are. Being 8. Good job. Good job. Good job. Thank you. Save. And now your name is 71. Right click some. Edit in Notepad. Remember when I said your name was 71? See, because I was going to put them all in the same file, but then I was like, wait, it doesn't actually complete, I think. But watch me multiprocessing. See, look, I understand concurrency. Okay. So while you were doing whatever weird shit you're doing with your broken ass fucking batch file, why don't you also... Wait, 25. 25 is the number. The rest are not real. So you're 71, so I can't tell which one's which, so that's fine. I would assume at this point that this one is also done. This also could just be like a visualization thing. I don't actually know. It could, like... Great. I don't know what you're doing under the hood. It's fine. Thank you. Go here, go here, go here. Bye. Bye. Now we are going to assume that these names and numbers line up because they should, right? I mean, I used the GoPro method that should keep them at roughly the same length, but you never checked. 422, a few seconds off. 419, because I had to turn them off at different times. So it's roughly the right, and it wasn't millisecond accurate anyways because we saw the timestamps. So it's, we'd have to synchronize it anyway. Okay. Great. And now let's look at who's the hero camera here. Not you. Could be you. Not you. I think it's you. Sure. Alrighty. And view extra large. See, this is where I wish I was on my Mac because that would be nicer. Okay. And we're pulling 4, right? We're pulling... Can I open this whole folder in VLC or something? Media, open folder. Hey. God, remember this? Back in the guts. Back in the guts again. Data. Okay. VLC. You still like that? Come on. I wonder what you're written in. Nice. Okay, I actually like that a lot. This is exactly what I wanted. Fuck yeah. Okay, doesn't matter because we're gonna grab it. Selected ambient works. What do we say? Selected chunks. I'm not gonna name them because I was like, oh, it's gonna be like one's like this, one's like that. I'm not doing that. Oh, I needed that open. Fuck. Can I do this? I don't think so. Nah. They usually do symbolic links from there. This is 71. My dude, what are you doing? I need to restart my computer. Great, thank you. Okay, so clip 9, not 0 padded, but I guess it's sorting. I'm lucky that it's sorting in order. Oh, I gotta do yeah. Wake up. And here, come on. Oh, right. I gotta make a new one. Nope. Fuck. Blah. Selected chunks. Jesus, fuck. Okay. Great. So that's an exciting one. Got to. That's so good. 16. Are there any boring ones in here, though? There might not be. She gets bored later. Okay, 22. 22 is good. Hearing me talk is it's I don't even know if that's actually making it through the stream. Do I have desktop audio? I do, but it's quiet. Okay. All right. So I don't have any boring clips. Do you walk away at any point, Pooh Bear? Nope. Look at this invisible kitty. Do you start? I think I don't think we could get any quiet ones. Yeah. Okay, so we got 3. Oh my god, look at this. Clip 9. My love. Oh, they're so good. Okay, 3's plenty. Selected chips, so it's gonna be 9 total. So I probably don't even need those. Okay, let's pick one. Oh, I like this one too, though. Oh, let's see how the blur looks. Oh, that's good. This is why you set your exposure. This is why you set your exposure as low as you can get it and make your shit as bright as it can be. Because you get, what is it? E? Oh my god. Oh, I'm so excited. There's a little bit, but we could use more. You missed, you idiot. Look at you, you fucking monster. Oh my. You remember that one of those moments where you're like, oh, this is gonna be good. Oh my god, look at that shit. God, I can do this in my fucking living room. Oh my god, and I don't need the GoPros. I mean, I like them, but once I get this shit trained, it can work with webcams and just like pop pip, you know what I'm saying? Also, I could hard mount them and just like let the Wi-Fi handle it. Oh, dear me. Oh. God, look at it though. I need to be tracking that bird. I'll add it to the DLC. So, okay, so wait, that was 16? Yeah, oh right, because this one is running in from the side. God, it's so good. It's so good. It's so good. It's unbelievably good. Oh, Jesus fuck. Oh my god. It's gonna work. It's like that. This is why I'm like so like beside myself right now. Cause like it's gonna work. It's gonna work, and it's gonna be so fucking good. Don't even trip. Don't even trip. I don't need any more clips. It's gonna be 12. 12 is more than we want actually. 16 or 9. Okay, so 9 has that part where she turns her back. This one's good. She's off the color here a bit. Oh, that's perfect fucking okay. Easy winner. She walks and then she lays down. Perfect. Easy winner. Easy winner. Excuse me. Okay, so that's 71, 48, and we're doing 16 and 22. We're not even gonna check. We will. We know what it looks like. We just watched it. Oh, it's a little dark. Remember when I was saying like I need more light from this side? And look, this is why we don't track Ollie. This is why we don't track Ollie. Okay, do that again. This is why we don't track Ollie. Doofus. That's so funny. I'm posting that. I'm posting that in my forum. I'm just supposed to. Derp. Okay. God, it's so good though. The matching clips from multiple angles is gonna be fucking sick. Oh, you die. Oop. We are extravagant in this town. Yeah, what just happened? Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. 8? We're gonna have 8. We have 4 cameras. Yeah. We made that call. We made that call. It was a choice that we made, and it was the right call. 8's fine. Because they were different, right? This one's the active one. What was this one? This one was... oh, this is her playing on her own. I block her a little bit there, but that's fine. And she's laying on the ground doing this shit. Yeah, that's a good one. Okay, 16, 22, 16, 22, 40, and now... Okay, we got 71, 48, 40, 35, 16, 22, 16, 22. Cool. This is this workflow, I gotta be honest, I'm kind of into it. Okay. So now I don't trust your shit at all. I am sorry. I respect it, but I don't trust it. Where's the code? Where's the thing? It's up here. Okay, not the code, but the who's it? Okay, grab you. Thank you. You're good. And now I'm gonna copy. Excuse me. and I'm going to edit. Oh, he's brown. Remember? This is for cat. We knew this. We prepared for this day. 35, right? Yep. And we call it, we have two of them, right? We have clip 16 and 22. Figure it out. Figure it out. You can't. Oh. I do not want to write this code myself. Thank you very much. Okay. Get it? You see what's happening here? You see what's happening here? Thank you. Thank you. Appreciate you. Thanks. Uh-huh. Yeah, you know. You know. You got it. You got it. You got it. You got it. But you don't know the name, huh? Hey, my dude. Never doubted you. Oh, there's the wrong size though. Ooh, fix that. That would have fucked everything up. Mm-hmm. There, let's see. Control D D D D D D D D. 3840. That's 1920 times 2. And this is going to be 2160. 2160. Was there supposed to be? Come on. Oop. What are you fucking doing with this? Okay, I need to, like, what the shit is this Zotero thing? It's driving me fucking batty. Stop it. You tried to take fuck you. Like, delete. You thought you could take Control-Shift-Z? You thought you could take Control-Shift-Z. You know that's taken. Shift-Alt-Z. Although I am now excited about Zotero. I need to teach these students how to use that. 38, 20, 40. No, there is no comma at the end. And this one, I know off the top of my head, 2160. Because I can remember things sometimes. Doink. And anything else I need to change in this dumb thing? Oh, this is the stupid thing. Oh, fuck me. Dumb. Okay. Multi-animal project, false. Do I want it to change? No, I don't, because it's a stupid bunch of stuff matches. I hate it. This, I don't know why that keeps happening. Like, I need to save this code. I need to help. Like, you have given so much to me. I need to give back. I need to fix this fucking code base. I will do it. I will save it. I don't know what your plans were for DLC 3, but if it wasn't, throw it in the garbage and start again. I'm here to help. You didn't ask for me to come help. And you may not want it, and you may find it offensive. But I'm going to do it anyways because I want it. Because I want to use your code, but I just can't. It is a mitzvah that I can do to the community. I have been to the bottom of the ocean, and I have found dirt. Okay, focus, fucker. Where are you? Okay, so here we are on the list. Vids, chunks, analyze vids. Is that right? Oh yeah. Oh right, and then we could do. Oh, can we do this all in one? Analyze vids, label vids, extract outliers. I should move this to another script, but we're already too far in. What just happened? Right. Okay. Stop. Okay. Wait. Yeah. What happened? Oh, did it fold or something? I don't know. Okay. Extract outliers and then refine labels. Which this, as far as I can tell, just pops open. It just pops open the GUI. I don't think it does anything special. I still have to load the whatevers. I think. I'm not 100% sure. Create label videos, analyze videos. Was there an evaluate step or something I needed to do? Refine labels, and then right. We'll just go straight through, I think, at this point. Oh, and then we're back up to the top. Oh, we've already evaluated it, whatever the fuck it means. Because that's relative to I don't want to see these trajectories. They're not meaningful to me. Okay. Go. Because remember, we're being sloppy. This is the whole point. I have earned this right to be a sloppy little bitch. Non-gendered. Is that like screaming out no homo? Like, it's never a good idea. Okay, so we are. What's the game here? Duration of the videos, overall frames, cropped frames, generating frames. We're currently doing. I should put print statements in here because Lord knows y'all ain't. It's like, yeah, it's in there, but like, tell me which part of this is the most important. Okay, so the first one we're doing is analyze. We're doing analyze. And it's gonna take a good, yeah, because there's 8 of them, right? You know, do we give it? Oh wait, no, we got these clips. Ah, shit. Fuck. Annoying. I am annoyed. F2. Pooh clips. This is where I use some of my magics. And I say control D D D D D D doop 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 doo. Control Alt do doop 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 whoop whoop yoop bye. So fucking good at this. He says kick flipping into a wall. Analyze videos. Do I have it here twice? No. I don't trust the cropping. I gotta be honest, I don't actually fully like get it. I mean, I guess is it assuming that there's a predefined, I guess if they're in a cage, if there's like a predefined area that you know that they're going to be in, but we're using as much of it as possible, and so I don't want to crop it. There's also this like weird, like everyone's so fucking afraid. It's like, oh, like careful, it's going to take a long time, so like let's compress your video like without telling you, because it's like clearly you don't want it to take a long time. It's like, motherfucker, like what part of this makes you think that I'm in a hurry? 295 frames, 10, yeah, okay, that's close. 10-ish seconds at 2997 FPS, which is a standard rate somehow. That's because it's a lie. Like those, that's not it's a prescribed frame rate. And then 295 is like, that's 30 FPS, 10 frames per second, 300 frames. There you go. Why are you taking so long? Is it because Are you? Is there some stupid bullshit where you're like, there we go, thank you. I thought you were gonna like. I was really afraid you were gonna like have something in it that was like exploding because it's a 4K image or something like that. See, this is what I love to see. Like, this is what I like to see. Use it. Use this. Use it. Use it. Use it all. This is gonna take forever though. Half an hour. Okay, so if it runs for half an hour times 8, that's 4 hours, so that would be 7:45. Half of that would be 2 hours. Do I need to do both of them? I think I do. I do. I don't have to make videos for both of them. I need to remember that, like, it's like I learn, like, I get frustrated sometimes when people like don't keep up, and it's just like, I'm a crazy person. You have to remember that. Like, there's a little grant. Support multi-person. Let's go frequent requests. Yeah. Yes. He used the bot for this, and he did a great fucking job. Oh man, hell yeah! Please explain the benefit. I don't mind sharing this. Work in public. Okay. Excuse me. Okay, so in the interest of time, I'm just going to use that one. So, shut down the R4K. Is there anything else I can do to speed it up? Yeah, I can. Shit. I need to pee. I need to pee. I want to end this video. Meh. Oh, it's JS. We still on FFmpeg here? I think so. Yeah. Okay. FFmpeg command to go through all the MP4s in a directory and save them out. So 30 FPS, 5 FPS. It's one every 200 milliseconds. Sure. Save them out with 5. Save them out to MP4 with 5 FPS. Keep named original file name 5fps.mp4. And I think it should be able to. I think it should be able to handle this. I suspect it'll one-shot this. Explain. Explain. Okay, so I'm in here. I don't want to be in there. I want to be over here. Yeah. Let's not fuck around in the DeepLabCut folder. Because Lord knows it's doing its best. Selected chunks. Right click. Open in terminal. Yeet. Yeet. Come on, buddy. PowerShell. PowerShell. No. Thank you. Oh, actually. Oh, I like that, actually. That's more explicit. Get children. It's like one of these things. It's like, what do you mean get children? It's like, how are you thinking about this? How are you thinking about this? Ah. Oh, fuck me. Tree. Oh, yeah. I know. Right click them. Open in terminal. Blah blah blah. Not in PowerShell. Gotta go. Oh wait, no, we got this guy. So punch it. Hit it. Wah. Simple pimple. So I went from 30 to 5. Actually, could be less. Oh shit. Right. Right click. Open in terminal, and this is how you actually learn stuff. So I'm going to actually write this. So get children is the command. So PowerShell has these weird like capitals. I don't know, like this. That's how you can tell PowerShell is like weird capitals and shit. So get children who match the pattern .mp4, and then pipe that into the command for each object. Do this chunk of thing, which is call this command on it. ffmpeg. Haha. .I is the input. We know that. In this case, it's going to be the variable .name. So the $sign denotes a variable. The little underscore thing, I think, means like the pipe. Oh, for each object. Oh, so we're iterating over the for each that's getting piped in from the whatever. Sure. -R, I don't know what -R, but that's like a encoder thing. But I want that to be 3 just because it's a factor of 10. And it's like less. 10 seconds. It could make it 1. And then in one of these little local scopes, we now know these are called, we're going to say .base name. This is a property of the thing that came from the child. Base name. A plus. Aha. See, this could be a variable or something like that, but it's not going to be. So it's 2 fps.mp4. Quote. Punch it! Get child item. No. See, I did the human thing. Which actually the bot does make mistakes like that, which is... I tell you, man, like global hierarchical attention, like that's the whole thing. What's it? Hierarchical navigable small world networks. How do you solve the local problem in a way that takes the global context into account? That balances effectively between weighting the local context with the global context. Anyways, two FPSers. 2 FPS. Yeah, fuck you. Boo boop. Boo boop. Oh, I'm gonna have to do all this shit in the fucking stupid goddamn fucking thing again. I want to be done. I want to be done for now. Cripes almighty. How many places do I have to change this shit? Ugh. I could keep it the same name. Actually, it would be easier. I don't know. Oh, power rename. I don't want to figure out a power rename. Here we are. In the config. Up here, Mr. Brown. Thank you very much. Up here, video. Oh Jesus! Did I cut that? Christ. Okay. Oh, I know how to do this. Watch this. Grab that. Grab the pattern, and then d, and I go boink boink to FPS. What? 2 FPS. Did I write that backwards? What? And we don't. Yeah. Okay. So cool. And then up here, there was another place I had to write some shit down, which was in here. Same vibe. Watch this. Control Alt at the same time, then just arrow keys. 2 FPS. Multi-cursor, baby. Punch it. I don't need all those. Well, fucking, who cares? Because those are, I mean, 2 FPS, y'all. I mean, come on. I'm still not gonna edit all those. Okay, we are Pooh Calypso. Yeah, run it. Yeah. Analyze videos. I want to push one of these all the way through, and then I want to end. 3 hours. It takes a long time to start up. It's gonna look shitty. I'll fix it, and then I'll come back later. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. We'll check in tomorrow, I think. Okay. Bye. I love you. Mwah.